Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'll be providing you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of June. Before we dig in too deep, let's look at some of the key metrics for our local markets relative to June of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $750,000. This is down by 3.5%. The total number of listings was 377, down by 11.3%, and the total number of sales was 146, down by 19.8%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $660,000, down by 5.7%. In Waterloo, it was $706,000, down by 5.9%. And in Cambridge, it was just over $683,000, down by 5%. June 2026 continued to reflect a market that is adjusting to a more balanced pace after the rapid conditions experienced in most recent years. While home values remained relatively stable, the overall level of activity slowed compared to June of 2025. The median sale price reached $750,000, down by 3.5% year over year, showing that pricing has held up reasonably well despite softer demand. It's also important to note that prices increased marginally compared to last month. One of the more significant trends was the decline in overall transactions. A total of 146 homes sold during the month, nearly 20% fewer than last June, while new listings also fell by 11.3% to 377 properties. With fewer buyers actively purchasing homes than the market has available, Guelph continued to register as a buyer's market based on the sales to new listings ratio. Homes also required a little more patience from sellers, with the median time to sell increasing to 21 days. While this remains a relatively healthy selling timeline by historical standards, it reinforces that today's buyers are taking more time to compare properties, negotiate terms, and make informed decisions rather than acting with urgency. Looking ahead to July, seasonal demand trends will likely continue to moderate overall activity. Listing inventory often begins to ease during the summer months, but buyer demand typically softens as well. Unless a noticeable increase in sales activity emerges, buyers should continue to benefit from greater selection and negotiating power, while sellers who can price competitively and present their homes well will remain best positioned to achieve successful results. If you're considering buying, selling, or making a move later this year or into next year, I'd be happy to help you. Feel free to reach out to me to discuss your plans, and we'll create a plan that works well for you. Thanks a lot for joining me today, and have a great day.